This should be our new check valve. Alright, multiple packaging. Looks pretty darn close. Let's install it. Okay, streamers, we've got the two tubes off of there. You still got to get the valve out of there. And I don't know if you saw my first video. I got to stick this open-ended wrench down in there through the top cover at about that angle, because I don't have a crow's foot. Then I hook the other wrench on it and swing it around. I'll be spinning that out now, and I'll check back after that's done. Once you get it broke loose, you can get in here and turn it. Each time you got to flip the wrench, you're only getting a few degrees. Now we've just got to change the 90-degree port over to the new check valve. Even though it came with a little thread sealant there, I put a little wrap of Teflon on it. Also put a little wrap of Teflon up here on the 90-degree elbow. Got it installed. Let's stick this thing in. Okay, we got the new check installed. Put a couple of pipes back on. This job will be done. Okay, we got the main line in there. Now we're going to put the secondary line in. Fish it down through there. Be sure to get plenty of dirt in the end of it. Start it up there. Spinning right down over here. Let's tighten those up and check her out. Okay, we're all back together. Let's go turn the breaker on and fill it up, see what happens. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the disc is still discombobulated. What more likely happens to these is the spring in there rots. It's pretty thin. Looks like a part of the spring right there. Yeah. And then of course the disc doesn't come back up. Gets tangled up in the spring, and there it is, gone. Well, it appears to have relieved correctly and bled off the head pressure. I think that was a successful installation. I'll leave a link to the previous video where we took it apart and cleaned it. And please like and share.